Are you looking for a solution that will help you take care of the current prices and stocks of products in your store? Thanks to automatic updates in the Megamo integrator, it's easy. If you run an online store based on the dropshipping model, you can certainly know how important it is to frequently refresh information about products' availability. We also know about it, so when creating our integrator, we didn't forget to provide it with the appropriate tool. Automatic updates, as the name suggests, take place without the need of your participation, but you can change their configuration at any time. To do this, open the settings of selected integration and go to the Automatic Update tab. At the top of the panel, you can turn Automatic Update on or off, as well as define how often it should be run. Below you will find a section dedicated to your list of products. Here you can decide whether you would like to select the products included in the update manually, or whether they should be added automatically based on the manufacturer or category. In the Options section at the bottom you can define what the automatic update should do. It can automatically add new products to your store, reload product variants, that is, add or remove their colors and sizes, and refresh basic information: price, inventory or activity, meaning product visibility for your store's customers. You can also input the minimum stock level to define a threshold amount of a given product, below which it will be hidden from your store. Changes can be confirmed with a Save button at the bottom of the page. The update history allows you to monitor the update progress on an ongoing basis, so we can quickly check which products have changed and were updated. With the Megamo integrator, the products in your store are always up to date and ready for sale. Check our offer on megamo.pl or write to bureau@megamo.pl for more details.